There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
There goes my head shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If I could turn back the clock, make sure the lights feed the dark, spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I need you to
see that you are the reason. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna hurt no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, I need you to hold me
closer now, just a little closer now. Come a little closer, I need you to hold me tonight. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I
need you
to
see that you are the reason.
Ai hola koro sa sure dingoluki tu sohuba kita maribar hasian boto om masure na lauri ho dan perdulia barang nasongon dia beho iba holoki mengadian di boto hasian tu pahokku hadabe di bumi asal tu seorang rohan macar holoki soarong hualo mo lauri holong nirohaki ngaleleng setar pagi maaf oloroh itu muli tua rade durohaki menjalor rohami iya macai sona pagi lalaki hasian tiop mata aku buat itu tulang bumi bawa tuau hasian bawa tuau panggil ami hasian olo aku roi lulu aku roi hasian asatu sorako asatu hoto itu dilambuki Marsia jua kita, undang marsia kita, Asia Rade dua Rade durohaki menjalor rohami iya macai sona pagi lalaki hasian tiop mata aku buat itu tulang bumi bawa tuau hasian bawa tuau panggil ami hasian olo aku roi lulu aku roi hasian asatu sorako asatu hoto itu dilambuki suara itu nahu parsita suara itu nahu pangira hola nau mariho hola komaria hasian marsia jua kita undang marsia kita hasian Rade dua
asama tangga kita mauliate madi sobahor rohanami tuhu di Tuhan dinasa pangiring-ngiringmu dohok pandongan yomu tunga-tunga ni perjalanan ni mulunami sian aka ari lausapni sahat tupatik yan di mana Tuhan tidak usahat tani tu ingananon kami nakin sarapan tapi natupan nirajan yang mengguru nami pasu-pasu mah si panganon waktu pasal ini jadi tahu tau sibuk tu papatang nami las udutan nami mah akaulon nami ya itu Lahu burhat tami tu bagas jurum na badiai. Lahu maudurhun anak doh burun yurian. Namar sakap lahu majalo pasu-pasu pardo masaripion siya na dupamu markiti na posone. Alani tuho mahu pastami sa duhut na nasa ulaw nami. Asa di bagasan hasisikup na siya kui nasa acara na nang sipatukon nami di bagasan patukyan. Alinir Tuhan paburhat mahami manopot jorom na badiyay patupahon acara pamasu-masuon na nang sipatukon nami sa dari. Tuhan diperhatopot rohan nami doa kadusa pangalason nami alani mangiduhami tuho jumulu maurasi hamisyan naka hakurangan nami. Asa tamahani gabi haboran ni pasu-pasum tuaka ari na magudo. Jalo jala tangi humatang yang pangidun nami. Marhiti anakmu Tuhan Yesus Kristus si hokok pami. Mau lihat yang mati hokok. Amin.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on, from this moment, I have been blessed. I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath. From this moment on, I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't